Once again, it's that time of the year again. We are at the Durban Murder Awards 2015, where we have all our Z-list celebrities coming to see if they will be getting this year's award. And here we have our Z-lister celebrity from Durban, Flaimotion.
I'm so honored to be here, guys. How are you, my sister?
We are good, Fly. You looking well, girl.
Oh my God.
Who are you wearing?
Right now, it's in Babambe, in London, and so it's pure Hosimlas. But yeah, I think it's NGO and JE. My girl.
Wow, waze wamuhle Fly. NGOJE ingoje leyo abangazwanga kahle.
I'm so in love with David. Oh my God, Nancy, he's so awesome. But Ubizan, I couldn't fake it. I couldn't take it. I couldn't do it. So NGO is my thing.
So Fly, kade sagcina ukubona ka television ungabakhumbuza abantu abasemakhaya ukuthi kambe iziphi izinto odume ngazo ebake bakubona kuzona kumabona kude.
I beg your pardon.
Iziphi izinto odlala kuzona kwi TV just in case uso fabulous kakhulu phela mhlawumbe abantu bazojijeka.
No, let me tell you something. Yabona nje industry iyabora because I'm not there anymore, but I used to be with Inyani. And then kukhumbule ekhaya, I'm like, I was there also. And I also go to our perfect wedding, but being extra lapo. But it doesn't mean ukuthi being a TV. I wasn't just an extra with perfect wedding. So right now I'm looking forward to the laugh back.
Oh, siyakubongela Fly, you seem to be doing well.
Thank you.
Kungabe wena ayikho i-reality show mhlambe ocabanga ukuthi uyenze like other celebrities?
Oh my God, khona kuthiwa engizoyenza, like take for instance abantu baseghetto, they're not fabulous like I do. So ngifuna ukufaka nje i-fabulosity eghetto.
So Fly Ghetto Fabulous.
No, my dear, don't get me wrong. Kuzoba Imjondolo Diaries, no Flaimotion. Hello.
Wow, siyakubongela girl. Manje yini yenza ukuthi ngoba wonke ama celebrities amaningi asezingeni lakho siyawabona efeaturishwa kuma music videos wena kwenziwa yini ukuthi singakuboni
I was so looking forward to ukuthi ngibe kwi video ka KO. Unfortunately abanamali cash money what cash money cash time ba cash ongekho bangibambe ngo call back ngase never I don't do that.
Wow. Manje ke ubani oyitshela ukuthi mhlambe efanele awine kulabantu abanominatiwe?
Isikoko sami. Uyamazi lo babosha isiginci wasemzumbe. Oh, that guy is so awesome.
Halala baba wasemzumbe?
Yeah, boy. Hello, Mzumbe boy. I want you go.
Oh, bani mhlambe abanye nje oyitshela ukuthi bona abazohamba.
I was looking forward to ukuthi mhlambe we can like share a stage maybe nabo Mpukane, maybe sithole noma ibhomshaka. It's about time. Listen to boom, shaka boom, shaka boom, boom, boom.
Mhlambe yini ongayenza mungathola ithuba lokuthi ube ku music videos awusithwekele sibone.
Drop it like yours. Drop it like yours.
Wow.
Yes.
I think they are missing out. Durban artist, Nali artist lenu. I think Ufly is fabulous. Ufly is talented. Ufly uzolifikela ne Mjondolo Vavavum. So ningamkhohlwe entweni zenu. Siyabonga kakhulu Ufly. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Before you go, I would like to drop it like it's hot for my boy JJ Zuma.
But can you pick it up again?
Hey Mr. President, this is for you. That's it. I'm done. I need to go. I need a drink.
I get, ladies and gentlemen, Nimbonile A-list celebrity wasemjondolo, Z-list, what we real life.
Once again, I'd like to say hi to my mom, my grandma, my late friend. Oh my God, we are so into Bobo, may you rest in peace.
Okay.
Also, I hate to be my karakara. I'm a kosheshe. So anyway, KO, wherever you are, my darling, ride with me. Ride with me.
KO uzizwele kenjalo sicela uthi ride with ufly. Siyabonga kakhulu. Halala fly. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Aweza amanye amazwe celebrities siwa interview.